Seeing those testing lines getting longer as the Miami Herald reporting today that Florida has more than 20,000 new cases, the second highest count since the pandemic began.
The Miami Heat holding a special vaccination event today as Miami-Dade's mayor met with hospital leaders about the summer surge. Local 10's Alex Finney is live with more. Alex.
And Nicole and Calvin, the bottom line is we're really in a bad way. We actually heard that from local leaders today when talking about this pandemic and how they're really just hoping and asking people, pleading with the public at this point, just get vaccinated. Some South Floridians we spoke to today said this new variant put everything in a whole new perspective.
What made you decide today's the day, I'm ready to get the vaccine?
The Delta variant.
Miami-Dade Mayor Daniela Levine Cava calling this a grave and worrisome trend. Nearly 1,500 people hospitalized across the county and 9 in 10 are unvaccinated, leading to the expansion of more vaccination and testing sites.
The data is very clear. The vast majority of those who faced hospitalizations are unvaccinated.
Today we heard from medical leaders about where Miami stands in the COVID fight.
On July 1st, Jackson was treating 66 COVID positive inpatients in our hospitals. As of noon today, that number is 320, a 385% increase in just over a month.
And the numbers are climbing sharply across all Miami-Dade hospitals, as we've seen in county reports, leading to leaders calling this a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
We're seeing people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s being hospitalized for this virus.
We visited a vaccination site today, some getting their second dose, worried about getting the vaccine at first, but here we are.
Seeing the increase everywhere, I think it's just the safest thing to do is just to be vaccinated.
And Miami-Dade County announcing today that starting August 16th, all employees will have to get weekly tests for COVID. The only way to opt out of that will be proving that you got the vaccine, and that's by showing that vaccination card. As for Jackson Health Systems, they've announced the same thing a little bit later on this month. They're also going to be requiring their employees to be vaccinated as well. So that's kind of the trend that we are starting to see with a lot of places, certainly here in South Florida, as that push continues for, of course, people to get the vaccine. That's the very latest. Live in Miami, Alex Finney, Local 10 News.